Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how I made this creepy looking cool Halloween bat decoration just out of some scrap wood. Right, so to make this bat I have a scrap piece of 2x4 and a scrap piece of plywood. That's all the wood we'll need to make this. I started off with a speed square marking up the 2x4. The length of the body is going to be 22 centimeters, and I'm just using the best part of the wood here and avoiding any damage and holes. So then I wanted to mark up sort of the depth of the ears, so I'm drawing a line and then I'm going to find the center of that line and then join up the center with the top line to make the ears. And then I did the same at the bottom to make the feet, but the angle is just a little bit shallower. So again, finding that center point and drawing those lines. So now I wanted to mark up the plywood. This is the wings, and the piece I'm going to cut out is going to be 40 centimeters long. Now I'm just measuring up for equal spacing either side of that 2x4 and then marking it so that I can centralize the bat's body later on. So to make the wings I'm using an old paint tin here to get the rounded shape of the wings. And then for the bottom of the wings, I'm using an old bracket from a stair rail and just drawing around that too. And that will give that bat-shaped wing effect. So now to cut out the shape of the bat, I'm using a jigsaw, and all I need to do is cut out the ears at the top and the feet at the bottom. Then I could cut out the wings again with a jigsaw, taking my time and just going around all the lines that I'd made. And then I cut off the excess parts in the middle that won't be required. So now we have the two main pieces to assemble. Before assembling, I just quickly gave it all a hand sanding going around the edges to make everything nice and smooth. Now to assemble the two pieces, I'm going to use plenty of wood glue at the back. I've made some marks there to guide me and help me to align the wings, and I'm going to drill two pilot holes in the wings. And then carefully just line up the wings and add 2 screws. Now I wanted to mark up to make the eyes, so I'm looking for a centre point here, and then with a Forstner bit I'm just going to drill out the eyes slightly so they're about 2mm deep, just to give it a bit of texture, and it makes it easier to paint them later on as well. You could use a spade bit if you have one. So then for the mouth, I'm using the lid of a jar to get the curve at the top. And then to get the bottom curve, I'm just using a cable tie and just bending it. And that makes it really easy to get that natural curve. And then I could just draw 2 little fangs in the mouth. Then I wanted to draw the eyes in the centre, so I'm just using a cork to draw around as a template here for the eyes. Now I just needed to paint it all up. I started off with the white part of the eyes. And this is water-based acrylic paint. Then I could do the fangs. And then some red for the mouth. Then I could go over the whole body with black paint, and I gave 2 coats of this black paint. Then I could move on to the eyes, and I'm just doing a bit of a detail there to make them look a little bit more alive. Now I wanted to add some glitter to the whole body, so when you move the decoration, all the glitter reflects light back and it looks quite good. So this is glitter glue that you can get anywhere, in any DIY store, stationery store. Again, just water based. And that was the bat all finished. So that's about it for this video. I think it turned out pretty good considering it's just a couple of pieces of scrap wood. Nice looking Halloween bat decoration. Easy to do, why not make one yourself? So happy Halloween. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.